What is going on, guys? It's me, Lexicon Mango here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove junk files, caches, and a lot of files you don't need on your Windows PC running that's just taking up space. First, go to the search bar, type disk cleanup, okay? Then after that, want to run it as an administrator. If you get UAC, click yes. Then click OK. And let it do its thing and scan for the junk files. After you've done that, you want to check every single box here. And you can also just go also to programs and features, and just remove any unwanted and unnecessary programs, and yeah, just remove them because they're just taking up space. You also want to remove system and restore copies because they take up a lot of space if you don't need them, and just delete them if you actually need them. But if your system has like a lot of issues and you sometimes want to roll back, just leave them be, okay? Now after you select everything, again you want to just go click OK, then click delete files. Wait patiently until they finish. Alright, for this next step you need to download this app called Total PC Cleaner in the Microsoft Store. So just open the Microsoft Store, okay? And then go to search and type Total PC Cleaner. Let me just type that. After that, it'll just show up one app only. Just click that app and wait, let it load for a second, and just install it. Well, I already installed it, so I don't need to. So yeah, it's free. So just open the app. I'm gonna close that real quick. Check everything. I recommend just checking the caches and mail caches, office caches, and more. If you want the downloads to be cleared, just take the downloads option, but I don't want to, so let's just click clean. It'll perform a quick clean, and your disk is cleaned. You also have like tools such as duplicates and big files. It'll search for huge files and over like 2 gigabytes and it'll tell you if it's necessary or not. So for this next one, we want to go to settings. After that, we want to go to system, go to storage, go to temporary files. After you've done that, we'll just scan for the temporary files, and I can recommend you to check everything. If you don't want the download to be clear, just like I said before, just take the option, but I don't want to. So if you clear that, you're good to go in the settings. Alright, for this next one, you want to press Windows and R at the same time. Windows and R on your keyboard. Okay? It'll pop up like a run menu. And inside that menu, you want to type TEMP. Just like this, TEMP. Click OK or enter. You'll get like inside a folder. Everything inside the folder is caches and junk files that the system restores. So you want to delete all of them and try to recycle them if you can. And if you get this, like, do this for all items, or can't do this, just take that, do for all current items, and click skip. Close the box, and the second command we're going to type here, run, is %TEMP. %. Type run, and select everything in here. Click delete. If you get this UAC, click OK. Then you want to just close out, and for this third command, you want to type PREFETCH, perfect. If you get UAC, click okay, or yes. And now in here you want to select everything, just drag files, it's safe to delete. Click, do this for all current items if you get this, and then click skip. Then close out. And for this one, guys, it's in the file explorer, so just open that and want to go to this PC. And after you've done that, you want to go to the local C drive. Okay, go to Windows. Then you want to scroll all the way down to software distribution, and after you click that, you want to go to the downloads folder and select everything here. Click yes and continue. If you go to UAC, click OK, and everything should be complete here. Okay, thank you all so much for watching the video. This is the end of the video, by the way, and please consider to subscribe and liking the video. Help me out very much. It will mean the world to me. And thank you also for watching again, and see you in the next one.